Alright, continuing from part 2 of this video discussion, you see at the bottom of section 108 is this subsection F regarding student loans. So that seems to be on point. Let's read what it says. In the case of an individual, gross income does not include, so taxable income does not include any amount which would be includable in gross income by reason of the discharge of any student loan if such discharge was pursuant to provision of such loan under which all or part of the indebtedness of the individual would be discharged if the individual worked for a certain period of time in certain professions for any of a broad class of employers. So there you go. It is excluding from income discharge of indebtedness income if the discharge of indebtedness is pursuant or contingent on working a certain period of time in certain professions. So what you would do then is hover over this section, which is, come on, pop up. And it's not going to do it, I don't know why. Normally if you hover over this little compass right here, it'll give you the code section, or the full code section site that you would use for citing in your memo. But anyway, 108F1 is the site you'd use, and that in fact state that we don't have to pay tax on this income. So that would be your answer. Now let's go back to the search terms and kind of show you some kind of other options you might do. You can get, the more specific you can get this search term, the better your results likely would be. Like, what if I put student? Oops. What if I put student in here too? I hit search. I still have an Internal Revenue Code. There's the code section again. It's the same code section 108. But now if I click in through here, and if I hit this, but hit the next keyword, debt, look, student loan. Look, student came up so fast, so we didn't have to sift through all the other stuff way up there. So that's a good tip to try and make this search term as specific as you can. This is going to be a kind of a grappling, tough process for you, because a lot of times you're going to have lots of search results and it's not going to be immediately clear whether or not they're relevant or not. I know this, I understand this. The key is just giving this a shot, attempting to find what you need to answer these questions. And I want you to go through, a bunch of different iterations and attempts, and eventually you can definitely ask me questions. The discussion board postings will hopefully provide a lot of guidance for you. So ask questions there and refer back to those posts for my responses. Hopefully this will work out. I haven't used this software in class before, so we're going to just kind of play this by ear and see how it goes. Again, as always, any questions, let me know.